Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second and final puzzle of today, a heavy Sudoku. So let's get started. I see a lot of nines, so let's start with a 9. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 over there, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 9, should be this one. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for 9 is here, here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. I see here 9, no 9 there. Or the only place for the 9 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 9, so let's see the number 4. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remains for the 4, should be this one. Then 3, yeah. The 1. Can I do something with the 1? Yes. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. I do not know. It's one of these 2 boxes. So in this column we have a 1 here. In the middle column we have a 1 in one of these 2 boxes. In the column next, the only 3 places for 1 is here, here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, so here no 1 here. Only place for the 1 should be here. Then in this middle row, one of the missing number is a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. Here 1, so no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 in this box. 1 box remains for the 1, should be this one. Alright. Then, in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 3 over there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here. Then, can I do something with the 8? Yes, because in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I cannot put the 8 here because we have an 8 there, so the 8 could be in one of these 3 boxes. So in this column we have an 8 in one of those 3 boxes. In the middle column we have an 8 here. So in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then in this column, 2 missing numbers. The numbers are 4 and 7. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. No 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then, yeah. 3, 4, and yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 7, should be this one. Then we go back to this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. We have a 7 here, no 7 here. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes missing, 2 missing numbers. In this column, the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. Sorry, we have a 1 there. Correction. The 8 is missing and the 2 are missing. The 8 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. 8 and the 2. I thought that 1, but alright. Let's continue with another row. 3, 8, 3, 3, 3, and then 4, 3. Yes, yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers missing in the first row. The numbers 3 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3, 5. Then 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for a 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 3. Then can I go 9? 6 and 5. Here we have the missing numbers 4, 7, and 8. Look, we have a 4 and a 7. 4, 7, and 8. So no 4 and 7 in this box. 1 digit left. That's the 8. Here we have a pair. 4, 7, 4, 7. That means in this column we have 8 and 2, I can remember. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 8 is here. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But we have an 8 there, no 8 here. 8 should be there. Then, yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 6, and 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. 6 and 4, 6 and 4. The same with the last row, 6 and 4, 6 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 6, should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 7 and 3. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 6 and 5. We have a 6 here, so no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 3. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 5. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. But we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here. 1 missing number in this row for the number 2. two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here. And 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in this column for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in this row, middle row, for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Then in this column, two missing numbers. The numbers are 1 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 4. Here the missing numbers are 7 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 7 goes here. Two missing numbers in this big square for the number 7 and 4. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there. The 4 goes there. Two missing numbers here. I thought the numbers 4 and 1. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 1 goes here. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be there, and the 8 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 8 goes here. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, this Sudoku is not so heavy, I believe. 11 minutes, wow. What a time. Anyway, if you like this Sudoku Heavy, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Download the PDF files so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching this episode. And join me next time with a new edition. Thank you again, and bye-bye.